If I had to describe this hunt in one word, it would be grind. From the moment I got there to the moment I left, it was an absolute grind. It's one of those days that I felt like everything was working against me, but I was determined to get a limit and walk out of there with 7 ducks. The conditions were perfect. We had 2 feet of snow throughout the day, 20-mile-an-hour winds with gusts up to 40, and 20 degrees. It was the weather we had been waiting for all season, and it finally came in late January, and I was in for a show.
Come on, bud. Dad whiffed. Dad absolutely fucking whiffed. Come lay down.
Picked a field that I knew was holding ducks previously. I think on a day like this, it really didn't matter where I was set up. As soon as they saw decoys, they paid attention. They were grinding just as hard as I was, and you know, we had a lot of ducks decoy in real nice. The blind was about 700 yards away from the truck, and you know, I'm rocking waders, wearing all our gear, and walking in 2 feet of snow. I don't care how good your gear is, it's a grind. I think I took a total of 7 trips back and forth to the truck, whether it be packing in, packing out, bringing my dog to the truck, because he definitely didn't want to be out there.
Yes, sir.
Spent about an hour on FaceTime with Corbin, just talking through things, letting him know how our gear was holding up.
Buried.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, that is a shit ton of snow. Nice little Susie.
Oh yeah. Have fun taking the dogs out in your 60-degree weather.
Or weather.
Let's see it. Oh, clouds.
There was a lot of moments where everything was going my way.
Two-piece. They are doing it dirty. Oh, bombing in. Oh my God. Is it a drake? It is. Oh, from the heavens. Whew. He almost got stuck in a tree. We'll take a single drake. Dang, he fell from the heavens. Good looking drake. Took 3 shots, but smacked into the tree and then tumbled his way down. it to the pile.
There were also moments that frustrated the hell out of me. From my call freezing up to my gun jamming,
No!
to the dog not wanting to be out there, to having hens land in the decoys and sit there for 2 minutes, not being able to pull the trigger. It was a day that tested my patience, for sure.
Hey, babe.
You alive?
Yeah, I'm alive. Yeah, no, I'm actually really warm out here. Like, our shit is really good.
It was a really good opportunity for us to test our gear. We had a lot of new samples coming in, and we wanted to put them through the ringer.
I hate the cold, and I am sweating right now. It's actually so sick.
Are you wearing the waders?
Yeah. The waders, the pants, the base layer, the big tan hoodie, and then the jacket, and then the gloves, and then the beanie, and the balaclava. So
I will say it held up tremendously. I was able to sit out there for a total of 8 hours throughout the day and had no issues whatsoever. The two things I had going in my favor were that the ducks wanted in and our gear held up, and I was able to wait for them.
there's so many ducks out there. Alaska? We're in Washington right now. Feels like Alaska, yeah. Maybe Antarctica.
And spent about an hour and a half on Instagram Live, just talking to people as I was out there.
Number 5, we've got ourselves another drake. Ooh. Oh, right in the neck. I thought it was Susie for a second. Right in the neck. No vans.
There were no cars on the road except for snowplows, and it really felt like the whole county shut down, and I was out there alone, just me and the ducks. And man, it was awesome.
One away, baby. One a fucking way. What a grind. Ugh. The fucking grind. This has been. Oh my god.
definitely learned a lot. It was a humbling hunt. I learned, not to play with your food, not to get too cocky. I had a duck come in just beautifully, and I needed one drake to close out the season. It was going to be my last hunt of the year, and I wanted to end it on a limit. I wanted to decoy in a drake and finish it off. I did just that, and I think he ended up sitting there for a total of 2 minutes. So as that drake was sitting out in the spread, I took a moment to pray and, like I said, just soak up the entire experience, the entire season. I knew that was going to be my last duck of the year. And as I got up to shoot, click.
No way.
So the frustration definitely started to set right then and there. Hindsight's 2020. Should have pulled the trigger right away, but again, I'm glad I got to experience that and really soak it all up. With it being a solo hunt, I wanted to really work on live practice with calling, bouncing hen, pigeon squeal, all things that I had practiced here and there while driving, but never out in the field. And it was beautiful, man. This started throwing out a Cajun squeal, and mind you, not a good one, but it was a type of day where they didn't care. They wanted in the spread. And he just came in and decoyed perfectly. And I remember just saying,
Oh, that's so sexy.
And got up, last duck of the year again, click.
No.
Ended up walking out of there with 6 ducks, and I knew the hunt easily could have been over 2.5 hours earlier than it was, and I could have been walking out of there with 7 ducks, but it was a test for sure, and one that I'll never forget.
way.